A lot of people has been asking me how you can create one Amazon storefront, and the thing is that it's easy. However, you need to fill some requirements, okay? First of all, an Amazon storefront is part of the Amazon Associates program. In order for you to have an Amazon storefront, you need to first create your Amazon Associates account, and you can do this by following the steps on this video right here. So once that you have your Amazon storefront set up, you can start with the process of the Amazon storefront. And for that, you need to be an Amazon influencer, okay? So let me show you how. Let's go to my computer right now, and I'm gonna add the link in the description down below that will take you to this screen. What you have to do is to go to this screen, and here you will scroll down, and once that you go to the bottom, you are going to be able to build your storefront if you apply for Amazon Influencers program, okay? So here it is at the bottom of this page. It says, apply today and start creating content. So you will sign up here, click on sign up, and then you will be applying with any of your Amazon accounts that you have, or you may create a new one, okay? In this case, I decided to go with the one that I already had, my Amazon customer account. And once that you select the one that you choose or create a new one, you will sign in to your account. And then now in this page, it is going to check your eligibility to be an Amazon influencer. And what does that mean? To be an Amazon influencer, you have to be an influencer. So what's an influencer? Is that you have a certain following in either of the social media networks that are here. Here it's asking you for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook. If you have the following that it requires for you to be an Amazon influencer, then you can be eligible for this program, right? However, Amazon doesn't tell you or me what is the amount of followers or engagement that you have to have. Some people have entered to this program with a very low amount of followers. However, they have a lot of engagement, so it can vary from one to another. In this case, I applied with my YouTube channel, which is the one that I have more following. And as you can see here, at the time that I applied, I had more than 3,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So immediately I was able to be eligible for this program. So this is not a rule, but at the moment that I applied, I had more than 3,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So if you want to apply through your YouTube channel and you have less than 3,000 subscribers, it might not be possible for you to apply. However, this is not a rule. Some people have entered to this program with maybe less subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so here, once that you are eligible to this program, you will be able to upload your images right here. So here it says upload images, and this is your profile photo, and this will be your identification. And here I just selected my profile picture that I wanted to be displayed in this program, and you will have to add a cover image as well. So in order for you to do that, I will recommend that you go to Canva, and I'm gonna add that link in the description down below if you want to use this program. And here I'm just selecting a customized size for this cover, and I created a new design. I already had my brand kit, so what I did was just to bring or pull up my brand kit that I already had, and then just added and adjusted accordingly to this size that I had for this Amazon influencer cover. Adjusted it until I really liked it, and here it is, the final result. Once that I had it, I just downloaded and save it as a PNG file, and I uploaded it directly here where it says cover image and saved it. Here it is, and then I click on next. Then it says name, and you will be adding a bio. You will add some other social media handles if you want. This is optional. And let me tell you that I did this last year, so the process might have some tweaks to these steps that I am showing you. However, you can apply as well. Let me know if you find some other differences that the ones that I'm showing you. And it says it's asking you, how did you hear about us? It says another influencer, or you can choose the ones that it fits to you. And here it says your personalized URL is this one. You want to have this one, so in case that you want to share it on Instagram or somewhere else, you can use this URL. And then it says go to your influencer page and start creating content. So here it says go to your storefront. So that means that here we are already on my storefront. And every time that you go through this link right here, you will go to my storefront, okay? So here, as you can see, I had all my social media handles, and if you click in either of them, it will direct you to those social media handles, to my profile, okay? And then it says complete your storefront, and you can start creating content right here. You can start creating a post, an idea list, or live stream. That's the reason you need to be an influencer, so you can start adding this type of content right here. You can add videos or photos. You can add idea list that I show you how you can create an idea list on the video that it's right here. And you can also live stream through the Amazon app. I'm not sure if it is possible to live stream already from your desktop, but at the moment I know that there is an app, so you can live stream as well from there. So this is how you can create your Amazon storefront by being an Amazon influencer, but I will recommend that you first go through your Amazon Associates program, and then you try to go through this process of being an Amazon influencer. For some, might be a bit difficult to be able to create or being an Amazon influencer. There are some other steps if you want to go to Amazon on-site commissions. So if you want to go through that, if you are interested in this type of content, let me know in the comments down below, because that's another process, a different process that you have to go through right here. Okay, so in summary, what do you need? You need to be an Amazon Associates first. You have to have an Amazon account, of course, and you have to have a certain following on any of the social media that I showed you, either is Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook. And then you will need to create a photo, profile photo, and a cover for your Amazon page. And that's it. Once that you have all this data, then you can create your Amazon storefront. So I wish you the best of luck so you can create your Amazon storefront. If you have any questions, you know where to find me on Instagram or in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.